That's the battery. That's the horn. This is the switchboard. And here's the transmitter receiver. It's definitely never gonna work again, trust me. But it's cool to look at. Now this one here, I'm not sure if this is the battery or not. Definitely looks to be from the teens, but this is what it looks like on the inside. I don't know what that is. That's like the hinges. Flathead screws. It's definitely pre-1936. But who knows what it is? I mean, it looks, even if it is a battery, how would you, is there a wire? No. There's not even a wire hooked up to it, so what the heck is that? If anyone knows, please let me know. Yeah, someone was up here. And notice there was the chandelier here. It's not here no more. And then of course there's stuff in the trunk. Oh yeah, it's old. What is that, a cup? Yeah, it's like some old football gear. This thing here looks like, yeah, like this thing. This thing here is for like football or something. Shoulder pads. Pretty old. It's an old trunk, man. Oh, this looks like clothing from the 40s. That's the marking on the front of it. It's got age to it. See what's in it. I can't, it doesn't stay up. Alright, here. hold it up with my foot. Don't worry, I'm alive. So, it's also pretty old. It's got... This one ain't as old as the other one. That's cool though. September 1916. Let's see if we can get that. Right. Where is it? Right in there. Is that it? No, that's right. I'm trying to find it. There it is. $1916. That's about as clear as it'll get. But it's in color, and the paper is not even foxed. So... So that's the update on the radio, what was inside the trunks, and also that the chandelier's gone, man. It was right here. So whoever did that, man, that wasn't nice. Signing out.